Sarah, who is this?
Come, baby girl.
Who's that? It's Grandma. Sarah. Sarah, look at Grandma.
Oh my God.
That's Grandma, Sarah.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Is Olivia bus this? Oh, our school is not this direction. Good afternoon and good night. You guys, by the title of today's vlog, you guys know this is a special vlog, right? Brother, say morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. You guys, the moment you guys been waiting for, I've been keeping this secret from you guys. I saw all the comments asking me, Mel, how come you don't go visit mom? Mel, when are you gonna visit mom? Well, today is the day. Mommy's coming. You guys, this is a long story, but I'll share that with you another day. Mommy was supposed to be here the day I arrived in the USA, but so much stuff happened that she didn't end up coming until now. But the stay is gonna be short, but we'll make use of it. We have like about 3 days, roughly, a few days, but I'll maximize those filming and freezing moments as much as I can. You guys don't mind me squinting my eyes. I leave my glasses at home because I'm running out of the house to go to the airport with my brother. My kids are sleeping, everybody's trying to leave the house, but yeah, we made it out and I'm on my way to the airport for mommy. You guys, I haven't seen my mom since 2018, and today we are broke the docks. Today, so we're on our way to the airport, and guess what? It's a surprise for Tyler. Tyler have no idea mommy is coming. I know that when he sees her, he's gonna freeze. He's not gonna know how to act because he's not expecting her at all. So I leave the house while he is sleeping, make it even worse. He's gonna be so surprised. So I'm excited to see his face, and Sarah will be meeting my mom for the first time. So it's a whole lot will be going on today. So hopefully you guys enjoy today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys later on the road, on our way to the airport to get mama. So you guys can leave me know and stop question me now, and let me apologize to the ones that have been ignoring, who's been questioning me. I get messages on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook. You guys reaching out to me every angle asking me how come I don't go to see my mom, but I couldn't reply because I wanted to keep this surprise and share it with you guys. So you guys get the answer why I haven't been replying to you guys. So my apologies, I wasn't being rude. I was just savoring the moment for this moment right here. So see you guys on the road. Sarah there. You guys are here? She knows you, you know? Watch out. Watch out. know what's coming.
Alright, come on the other side.
You.
Shawty! Shawty!
Give me my camera. Sit up there so in front of you.
Shawty!
You didn't know what's coming.
Oh my god! Oh dear Lord.
Oh my god, you're rich!
Yes!
You're rich!
Jesus!
Oh my god.
It's so...
Oh my gosh. You're not tired?
Oh gosh, I'm beat.
Oh my gosh. You're supposed to be
Flying
exhausted.
all night, I'm exhausted.
Oh my gosh.
I want a bath.
I can just imagine. Look at her, you guys. Mother is here.
Oh Lord.
She's here finally. Oh my gosh. Tyler gonna freak out. Tyler have no idea.
Oh,
I leave them sleeping.
Oh, okay.
He don't even know that I leave the house. He's sleeping. Sarah had woke up, but then she fell asleep before I leave again.
Oh man.
Yeah. So we're heading home.
Hello. Hi.
You said you wouldn't see her!
Who is that?
Tell me that it wasn't.
It's a surprise. Don't cry.
How are you?
Fine.
You fine? You happy to see me?
Yes.
Who is that?
I didn't know you would see me.
But when
Here,
was
here
I
I know.
asked you,
I was tricking you.
Grandma, and you said it wasn't a surprise.
I was tricking you because I didn't want you to find out.
The internet had shown
Mama.
something that you'll see Grandma.
I know, but I wanted you to surprise. So I was tricking you the entire time.
I am right here now. I am here. I am here. I
You happy?
am. Oh man.
Your sister still sleeping?
Yes.
Oh.
Sarah.
Sarah, who is this?
Come, baby girl.
Who's that? Grandma. Sarah. Sarah, look at Grandma.
Oh my God.
That's Grandma, Sarah. The Grandma, you're just weird.
Here. Here.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Come. Tyler, turn it down, please. Who is that?
You look at that face. You look at that face. Oh. Oh.
Who is that? Who is that? That's Grandma? Look at Grandma. Look at Grandma. Show Mama Grandma. Grandma, you show Grandma your finger.
Let me see those fingers. Who paint your fingers?
What color is it?
Oh, you like pink? You like pink? Baby girl.
Is it Grandma?
Grandma girl. Aww.
Is it
Sarah. Sarah. Oh man.
Is it Grandma?
You finally see me in the flesh.
Grandma, give you a bisou. The Grandma just wake up. You slept the entire time. You just wake up and I want to sleep. You know what? I want to sleep.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is this? Who is this? No, that's not Tota, it's Grandma.
Grandma.
Look at that little face.
Who is this? Who is this? Who is?
Oh no! I think there's something in the door.
What's
What are you
that?
watching?
Camel.
Camel.
Run away! Look at her.
Who is this, Sarah? Who is this right here?
Grandma.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah. Look at you all pink all over. Pink toenails, pink fingernails. Who paint them for you? Who paint your
did your
fingernails?
nails? Who paint your nails? Mama paint your nails? And Mama paint nails.
Ah, you're so girly.
Nails.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Mama paint nails.
Oh no! I think it's wrong.
Yeah. You're cool.
Thank you.
Luna, you look fine. You are sexy as ever.
As usual.
Yes, I'm right here. It only took like what, 9 years?
9 years only.
Only 9 years, you know. She'll be here for high school graduation.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
So was your point?
It was fun. Don't tell me about fun.
I'm in the kitchen crying. I'm doing my mom's famous jerk chicken. We all been waiting on this moment, and Mommy is here. Show them Mommy there. Mommy overseeing the ingredients.
She's like the chef. She's looking at you. She's looking at you. She's observing you.
Mommy teaching me how to.
Oh, she's so
season
dark.
it. She's so dark.
No, not her. On the light.
Mommy teaching me how to season it her way. So you have soya sauce. We put soya sauce. We put onion. We put the Walker's Wood jerk marinade. Lie.
Yeah.
And then we put the Walker's Wood.
We used to
what's
have this
written on
one.
that? We have it at home.
Where we get this?
Hot
It
and
was
spicy
from
jerk.
you,
We buy
baby.
it from the Belgian girl.
Okay.
And then what else we add, Mommy?
Onion
And scotch bonnet. But the scotch bonnet, you don't cut it up, you don't blend it up, you crush it out. And then what else? Soya sauce, not browning. So I was doing something wrong all along. I did browning.
Big time.
You don't
So it make a difference. What the difference, Mommy?
Listen,
You don't-
browning give it that brown color, and because the browning is like caramel,
Caramelized.
right.
Uh-huh.
I don't want that in my jerk. I just want the flavor.
I like the brownie.
soy sauce. I just
Yeah, it's going to brown.
It's
but
gonna brown by
it's not
itself.
going to be the browning brown.
I like the browning.
That's
No.
what. It's not the browning brown you like. You like when I make it and it look jerk, it be dark.
It's
But
when
it's
that's
not really the
how mine is
browning.
done.
You
I
don't
use
use brownie?
I use the browning, but I use the browning in my opinion to make it
Dark?
help give it darkness.
no. You're gonna see my jerk.
So
you just
I make but you guys, she's not going to cook it tonight. She's gonna cook it
No,
tomorrow.
but I trust your mom jerk because my sister-in-law jerk.
Your assistant a jerk.
She have no liquid.
So,
She only
I
have
am going
the.
to make sure that I'll be behind Mommy PP Cup
Oh, yeah.
to see how Mommy do this, because
You just season that.
one thing Mood that
I
tell you
say-
straight up is add browning and Mommy not add no browning.
feel like-
So
Browning.
I feel a hungry belly
I
coming in.
twin.
I feel a hungry belly coming in the kitchen.
now me carry food, we gonna give him already. Alright, so we're gonna cover this and put it back in the fridge.
Put back in the fridge for at least
Right away
4
or
hours.
just make it stay here so
Put
for
it
a while.
in the fridge right now.
In the fridge. Alright, sir. You guys, we're at dinner with the fam bam at a ramen restaurant, so we're trying to eat right now. Look at Sarah. Sarah, take your hand off your face, please. Honey, give me your tablet, please. Babe. Mommy. No, I won't take the oxtail. Brother. No, I won't take the oxtail. Tyler. And there's ramen, everything. So shouldn't it be a lychee flavor?
Not much. So we're having no, wait until your food come. Anika, if you eat much fries, I'm not going to eat him food.
They're hot though.
What is it called again? Bubble tea. So there are some little bubbles. There's some little bubble in the bottom of this, and yes. You want fries?
Yeah.
Here.
Then you'd never be able to eat it.
There's some bubble in the bottom of it. It's a very acquired taste, but it's interesting. I'm happy that I tried it. Something new. How's it going over there? Bubble tea faces. Look at mommy. Mommy's like, I'm not so sure, but it's going.
Trying to catch the bubble.
It's acquired. It is an acquired taste. It can. As I sip, it gets better. The taste grow on me.
It's for you, you know, when it's so good, you just drink. And when the plate comes, you're just finish up.
Japanese fried rice. This have shrimp. This have fish. It have quite a few things.
Yeah, because
it smells so
when you
good.
down, you want to.
And then I have shrimp over here. Mommy is having oxtail ramen.
You took the gum just before. You took the gum just like 10 seconds before.
Steak ramen. This looks so good. Ready, honey? Begin.
ready.
All right. What is this one called, Anita?
Akumaru.
Akumaru. Right?
The only ramen needs to go is mine.
Yes, so the next one comes Mr. Naruto living his Naruto dream.
Mama,
That's what Naruto do?
How's Mr. Uzumaki?
hot. What's the noodles?
In it. You go down, you will find them.
You like this?
Right. Follow grandma.
It's like this, you.
Right. Careful.
Yep. You can go now. Good.
So we are ready to put him.
Naruto man in them noodle. Oh!
Olivia, where's Olivia?
See Olivia over there. Grandma bonding with her girl. No. She will comfortable to you, say? You take the picture? Look at them down there. Look at them all, not tired at all, living their best life. That mommy reading her Bible.
But I'm going to bed leaving because I'm tired. Tired. That's Mommy, I read Bible to Olivia.
Let's read about Daniel, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. That's where I read. I read Bible because
That's where you reach, Mom?
every year. No, this is my third course. I read
Really?
every night. I read 3 chapters in the Old Testament, 1 chapter in the New Testament every night.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not surprised by anything that Mommy does.
I've read the Bible from cover to cover multiple times.
You hear that, guys? She read the Bible from cover to cover multiple times. She read 3 chapters each night.
I read 4 chapters, 3 from the Old Testament and 1 from the New Testament.
3 from Old Testament, 1 from Old Testament. Jaja. Anyway, you guys, I am tired. I've been awake since 6 a.m. this morning. Go to the airport for Mommy. I am so tired. Sarah is in bed. Tyler is in bed, and I'm leaving them downstairs as much as I want to stay up and chit chat, but I am tired. I have tomorrow where I can do all the chit chatting in the day, all day. I have Mommy all day tomorrow. So tonight I'm going to try and get some rest. I since I'm here on vacation, I have never been in bed before midnight, and it's after 11, and I'm saying goodnight to everybody. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Mommy is finally here. You guys didn't get to see her much because when she got here she was so tired because Mom was in LA on an engagement, so she left LA and came straight here. So she flew all night and she's super tired. But tomorrow you guys will get to see Mommy more close up and personal. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. And I'm so happy to see my mom after how many years? 4 or 5 years about. Yeah, so have a lot of catching up to do. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family. Catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow on another day of vacation in the USA. Mommy's here.